Okay.
Yeah.
So right now we are going to discuss about the conditional statement. Okay. So how the work will process everything, I will explain. Okay. So right now we are going to discuss about the conditional statement. Okay. So if else statement we are going to discuss. All of you please start recording. All of you. Just make sure. Please start recording. Yeah. So if else statement is right now we are going to discuss about the conditional if else statement. Conditional statement means it is used to evaluate that the condition is true or false. Okay. So in this one inbuilt method we are using, that is called message box. Okay. In this one inbuilt method we are using, that is called message box. It is used to display the result in the form of pass or fail. Okay. So here message box. MSG box. What is the syntax? Is message box MSG box. If it is a pass, if it is a condition is pass, then we can able to write it as a pass, right? If it is a fail, we are going to write it as a fail, right? So that is what about we have to discuss. Message box, pass or fail. So here my task is verify the application whether it is open on a desktop or not, right? So guys, everybody, this is the task. Okay, so how you are going to do, let me know. Just give me any idea. So how to resolve this issue? By using conditional statement, we are going to check whether it is open or stop or not. If it is open, then display message like pass. If not, then display message like fail. Okay, so that is only right. So I will explain it clearly. So how the working process means here. So what is my task? I want to test whether it is open on a desktop or not, right? I want to test whether it is opened on the desktop or not, right? So for that, what I am doing, okay. So here, what we are doing is observe. First of all, you are doing system utility statement, right? System util dot run. Okay, application path we need to give. If it is open, when we execute this one, it is going to be open, right? So when the thing is opening over there, if it is open, then display message like pass, right? Okay. Okay, so how we are specifying it as a if I write if in space to open, automatically total syntax is displayed. Okay, if I write if just if and space, total syntax is displaying. So hey, how we are specifying it as a dialog login dot exist. If it is exists, then display message like pass, right? So MSG box else MSG box fail. So like that we have to discuss. Okay. So of course, make sure all the applications are closed. But if you open like this, by using utility statement, also application is open. And after on that situation, Qt will have confusion that which one we need to select. Okay, so then we are going to hit the run button. Just see what happens. Which one Aarti needs to be added, right? Means I didn't understand. Exactly, right. Whatever is it is exactly correct. Object repository we need to add, right? So here it is. That's why only error is coming, right? So we are going to add the repository. Okay, how means I'm sorry. So I'm going to open an object repository. Object repository is opening once again. Okay, so here there is no objects right now. Here, here there is no objects. Right now I want to add the objects, right? So go to objects, add objects to them. Go to object, add objects to them. If I click on the like so right now just hit the run button. Make sure I already explained we need to close this, right? So hit the run button, just see what happened. So what happened here? Application is open and says pass, right? Okay. So just give us a second. Okay. So it will expand. Login, the perform method is the login is the There's a lot of disturbance against there. There's animate some there.
Sirisha, I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Ankita, sorry, I have a disturbance from your side only. Can you please mute yourself? Ankita,
Yeah.
I had a disturbance from your side only. Can you please mute yourself?
Well, I don't think there's a problem because I am not able to hear you.
No, actually, if I unmuted yourself, I'm
Yeah,
not hearing.
now it's okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Login exists, object exists. Right.
Yeah.
So here it is. It doesn't show the exact information like what is existed here. So I want to give the clear information regarding this. Okay, so that application is opened successfully like that. Clear information about it says login exists, object exists. It's not a clear one, right? So means I want to prepare my own result window. So how we are going to prepare own result window means by using reporter.reporting. So reporter.report even is an option. By using we can create our own test log or own result window. Okay, by using this we can create our own test log or own result window. Okay, so what is the syntax over there? Observe the reporter.report event. Okay, status comma within double quote we need to write the step name, and within double quote we need to write the description. So step name description what we are providing, so that is displayed in a, here it is, test results, object and details, right? So anyways, how the work will be processed I will explain. So of course instead of message box we can use, or else okay, here also we can use. So for example, here in this situation, instead of message box we are using a reporter dot, what is the syntax is reporter dot report event. Okay, so what is the status, whether it is passed or failed or warning or run? It's a pass or situation, right or no? If it's a pass, what happened? Mic pass. Mic pass means, observe guys, it's a Microsoft pass. Okay, mic pass means it's a Microsoft pass. Okay, so like that, and comma. So we need to write the step name. Within double quote, we need to write the step name. So step name is exactly what is the step here. What is the work we are doing? Okay. So here within double quote, we need to write the step name. So step name is what here. For example, verify the. So what is the task here? We are going to write it like verify the application. So comma within double quotes we need to write the description like application open success. Whatever the message you want, you just give it over there, right? Application open successfully. Like that we need to write. If else what happened? So reporter dot report event. Reporter dot report event. If I write space, syntax is coming. It is a failure situation, right? Make fail. So task is same only, like verify the login application. So here application failed to open. Whereas if it is not failed means application failed to open. So write the like the workflow process here. Make sure I already explained you. We need to close everything. So hit the run button. Just see what happens. Okay, so observe here. If you go to the view, expand all. So here it is says, verify the login application opened successfully. Here we are created our own result window, right or no? Okay, here we are created own result window, right? Whatever the information you want, you just put over there, right? So like that, if you want to create your own result window, then you can go ahead with it. There it is, guys, everybody. If you want to create
Yeah.
your own result, then you can go ahead with this one. So that is what about this one, right? Okay. So next we are going to discuss about the looping statement. So observe, looping statement means what? Observe. So right now we are going to discuss about the for next loop statement. Okay. So what is for next loop statement? How the work will be process? I will explain it here. Okay. So observe. It is a looping statement. It is used to run the block of statements for specific number of times. Okay, so it is a looping statement. It is used to run the block of statements for a specific number of times dynamically while execution time. Okay, well, dynamically while execution time, it is used to run the block of statements. Okay, so that is called for next loop statement. In this we are using one inbuilt method. Okay, all of you, in this we are using one input method. What was that? That is called input box. Okay, that is called input box. So what is the use of this input box is observed. It is used to collect the test data from testers and enters into the application. Okay, it is used to collect the test data from testers and enters into the application.
Muted.
What happens? Someone is
Unmuted.
muted all of. Okay, so like that work will be processed. Okay, so here what is the syntax is variable declaration equals to input box of description, right? So how we can able to write it, I will explain you clearly, right? So observe here. Right now we are going to discuss for next statement. So I'm going to take the new text, guys. Okay, here I just take the new text. Okay, so here we are going to write the for next statement. So if I write for and space, automatically syntax is coming, right? So first of all, we have to declare that how many times you want to execute this loop. So observe how many sets of data you want to execute. Just let me know how many sets of data you want, guys. How many sets of data you want?
Five.
Just to 10.
Yeah. So Arti said that 3 or 4. Okay. So I'm going to declare it as a I equals to 3.
4.
Okay, so I equals to 1 2 3, like that. How many sets of data you want, you just declare like this. I equals to 1 2 3, right? So here we are going to enter in the agent name password details, right or not? So that enter, I want to take it from the tester dynamically only. Okay, so how means, you know already syntax variable declaration, you can able to declare any variable equals to input box of description, right? So for example, I am taking like a. Okay, variable declaration equals to input box of description. So how we can able to write what is the description means? First one is enter
Enter agent name.
okay. So then B equals to enter. Okay, so like say input box of
Password.
password, right? So like that. After that, I want to generate some script, right? So if I enter agent name and password, so that agent name is entered in the agent name place, password, and click on OK button. That is my task. Okay, so observe, hit the record button. So observe, here I am entering. OK button. Okay, so close it, stop it. Okay, so here just observe, I want to, okay, so whatever the agent name values are there, I just saved in A value, right? So instead of Sirisha, I want to call A values. Okay, instead of Sirisha, I want to call A values. So of course, instead of password, I want to call
E.
B value. Okay, so if I happen like this, first of all, okay, if I execute this one, of course it is enter agent name and password. On that situation, we need to open the application like this, every set of data. So that we are directly using system-util.run statement. Okay.
Mhm.
Um, system util.run application path we need to give. So how to get the application path? Right click and properties. So here it is, right? Copy it, paste it out there. So right now just see what happened. Okay, make sure all the applications are closed. Okay, so hit the run button, just see what happened. So first of all, it is asking me about enter agent name, right or no? Okay,
Yes.
so I am providing like agent name, right? For example, Rupali. Okay, so it says enter password. So yeah, so observe, it just enter Rupali and password and it is executed now, right?
Mhm.
So again, it is asking me another set of data. Why? Because we are giving three sets of data, right or no? So I'm giving Ashi, and it is asking me about password. So I'm giving Mercury. So observe, if I enter this one, Ashim Mercury is executed means observe what happened dynamically while execution time it is asking the data, right? Right or not?
Yes.
Gaurav, right? Mercury. Dynamically while execution time only it is asking, right? Everything like this work will be processed. Okay? Okay? Is it clear, guys?
Mhm.
Like
Mhm.
script manual. Okay, looping statements. Clear it is?
Yes.
So this is another type of this is also one type of parameterization. Ati. Okay, this is another type of parameterization. Means here also we are getting the data from other location, right? Dynamically we are giving, right? So this is also we are calling it as a one type of parameterization. Okay, so like that work will be processed, right? Okay, the next we are going to discuss about the descriptive programming. Descriptive programming means what? Observe, descriptive programming means okay. So here also we are going to write the script manually without recording option. Okay, here also we are going to write the script manually without recording option. Okay, okay. So observe, it is one special programming provided by the QTP and it is used to generate and execute the script without any object repository. Okay, without any object repository. So in this script generation means object information in the, while script generation time object information means properties and values we are directly mentioning into the script line. Okay, it means without any object repository. So you may ask, so earlier also we are writing the script manually. Now what is the use of this one? What is the difference between descriptive and automation object model method? Means on that time we are taking the help of object repository to execute the script, right? If we add repository then only it will be executed, right guys? But
Yes.
here without any object repository help we are going to, okay, without any repository help we are going, okay. So
Mm-hmm.
in this script generation object information means so properties and values are there directly we are going to mention into the script line, that is we are calling it as a descriptive programming, right? So how the work will be processed I will explain it clearly. What is the syntax is earlier, what is the syntax? Logical name of real object of parent dot method, right? So here logical name of property colon equals to value of the object dot method, the property and value of real object name we are directly mentioned. So how to get the properties and values? Anyone? How to get the properties and values? By using object spy, we can display one object related complete properties and values, right? Right or no?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So here, how the query process means here, my task is same. I want to write the script for belongs to. I want to enter agent name, password, click on OK button. Without recording option, I want to write this, right? First of all, I need to activate the title, right? Go to tools, objects, file. Okay. So with the hand icon, I want to click on title. Okay. So just observe what happened. Dialog is a logical name. Okay, so in a real object name, we need to directly mention the property and value. So you may ask, which property we have to mention? Right, observe. In a values, where is login? Just search for where is login. Here it is, the login is, but actually what happened, property name is somewhat difficult. Just try to find out, is there any other one is there? Otherwise, if not, we can able to use this one. Okay. So here it is, under login is there. Yeah, text is an easy one, right? Okay, so we can able to use this property and value, right? So as per the syntax, logical name is what? Dialog. Okay, dialog. Property and value means, observe the, so property and value means, right now we just discussed, right? It's a text, right? Text is a property. As per the syntax, colon equals to, what is the value? Login.
Okay.
Okay, so dot, what is the method for writing? It's activate, right or no? Okay, so like that we have to write the script. Okay, take the controls and go ahead, remind guys. Okay, all of you, I'm giving a control, just write the script for the remaining things only. Okay,
Okay.
did you understand how to write the script?
All right. Who's the brave one?
One second, I'm all of you, I'm giving access. Okay, remaining things like I want to enter user agent name password. So observe here, it is also same thing. Okay, if you want to write the child object means parent object details dot child object details dot method, right? So parent object details are this only, right? And by using object space, you'll get the child object details dot method. You can able to write it dot set equals to same earlier also. But instead of that one, we are using, instead of real object name, we are using properties and values. We are directly mentioning. That is the only difference. Okay. So guys, take the controls and all of you just discuss and complete this task. Go ahead.
Gaurav, you're taking over?
No.
I guess somebody else is. Now you got to write the dialogue, right?
Okay. Rupali, you're having the controls?
No, it's not me.
I think it's Aarti.
Okay, so it's a dialog box.
Okay.
It's for an edit or text, sorry. Attached text and
Attached
agent,
text.
an agent name. Okay. Attached text.
I think it's attached text.
Aarti?
Who's having the controls, guys?
I thought it was Aarti who was typing in.
Yeah, it was her, but I was just unmuting myself and I got the controls.
Oh, so you can type in attach text.
Agent name, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Aarti.
It's going to be enter or tab.
Not able to type, guys. Someone else also having the controls.
It's not me.
Not me too. Not me, 3.
Okay, is that all?
No, it's not activate. What does
Then,
it when you enter in the name,
hmm.
then you have to hit the tab or hit yeah.
Guys, I'm not able to type. It's not coming up.
Somebody has the control.
I think so.
Art is saying that is it WinEdit agent name?
Yeah, but when we do that, you have to do something after that, right? Which is to hit the tab to go to the next one.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's tab.
Guys, whatever you write is exactly correct, but here, this attached text, you want to write it over there, here. So, first of all, write this information, dialog, login, right? Okay. So, parent object details, observe what I'm writing. Parent object details dot child object details, like it says win edit, right? Win attach text. Attach text colon equals to what is the value? Agent name, right? It is a case sensitive. We need to specify the exact name. Agent name colon is there, right? As per the syntax. Dot method set. Okay. We are specifying it as a series. Clear it is?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Like this we need to same after that also. First we need to specify the parent object which is dot when it so another what is the property is there property colon equals to value of the object dot method for password field also same thing. Go ahead, take the controls and go ahead.
Okay, so who's having the controls now?
Not me.
Gaurav or Asham, you guys want to take over?
Yeah, sure, I can take over.
Okay. So it's
Okay,
going
so I
to
think
be dialogue into parentheses.
it's not typing. Okay, there we go.
Dialogue, parentheses, quotes, text.
Now it's gonna be you said text, right?
Yeah.
Text
No.
log, right?
Yeah. Same, exactly the same as the line above.
Mm-hmm.
Colon. No, there is colon in there after text.
Oh, okay.
And login L is capital.
All right.
Close quotes, parentheses.
I think it's dot when edit now.
Yeah.
Okay.
When added.
Okay.
No, not yet. Because we gotta go to tools.
Password.
Yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
object spy. And click on the word on the box password. No, you selected the wrong thing.
Okay,
Inside
I'm
the
having
box
some
where
problem.
it says, yeah.
Okay.
Did
Am I
you?
doing this correct?
No, I don't think
No.
you. Close again. Okay, go
Okay.
back to tools.
Object spy.
Okay, you see the little box by the password?
It's
Yeah,
right
there
here.
you go. Perfect. Now it says
Okay.
attach text and then password. So,
Attach text and then password.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
right.
Have to select that, right?
So close.
You need to select that or no?
Yeah,
Mm,
you
I
need.
think.
You have to select the attached text password. Yeah.
Close.
Attached text. Okay. Attached text, and I think it's equals to password.
Yeah. And password with a capital P
Mm-hmm.
and a
And the
colon.
dot.
Close quotes. Dot.
And
Set.
set. I think it should be a capital S.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
And then
Oh,
quotes.
Is it a capital M or small m? I think it's
No,
small, right?
small m.
Is it set secure?
I think the after set, I think we need space too, right?
Oh, you can
Uh,
try. Space.
yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
So next, the next line. Same thing, dialogue into parentheses, text equal login.
Now.
Now this
Okay. Now
is
we got.
dot.
Now I think we're going at. I think now we're pressing the OK button.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. I think it's dot and then you have to right click or yeah. Click. Dot click. There you go. Now
Dot
you go
click.
to now you go to tools and
All right.
objects by.
Okay. I need to get this thing out of the way.
You can just move that a little bit.
Okay. Click OK
Plus,
button. It says Win button OK.
scroll down a little bit, please.
Down.
Yeah.
Okay. Is this the one?
I think this is the. Yeah, I think so.
Let's see if there is anything else.
Okay.
Just to make sure.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yes, exactly. Just see whether is there any other one.
Okay.
Okay.
There it
You
is.
see text, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So we can do that. So okay, both of them are capital.
Okay. And do you want me to scroll down more?
Yeah.
No, I think this is the most simplest one.
Okay. This is the one. Okay. So text OK.
Yeah, so click close.
Where we need to write? 1 second.
Okay.
So here we need to write all the right. It's a win button, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now did you check it? Win button. So text colon equals to. Oh, sorry. What happened? Text colon equals to what is the value?
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Dot. Yeah, as you said, it is a method is click
Click.
only.
Click.
Right.
Oh.
So right now, just observe. I got so many options are there. I'm going to close all this. Okay, only one is there. And right now I'm going to hit the run button. So observe, did we added any object repository right now?
No.
No.
So observe, we are not added object repository, but it is executing or not this.
It's having some problem on the password.
The attached text equals password object was not found in the object
Here you didn't
repository.
specify the colon. I already explained you. So attached text colon equals to, as per the syntax, you need to specify the colon.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Colon equals to. So right now I'm opening the application. Okay, and hit the run button. Just see. Text also, you didn't specify the colon. Here it is.
Sorry.
Okay. Nice. As per the syntax, colon is there. Okay. So the run button.
Okay, so I think it executed perfectly.
Yeah. So without any object repository help, it is executed perfectly, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is
So
what I mean.
the column was missing over there on the script.
What?
The column was missing on the script. You just corrected something over here, right?
Where? Where it is missing? There is no.
Oh no, like previously, because previously when we tried to hit the run button, it was showing some errors. So
Yeah. That's what. The colon is missing. As per the syntax, already
yeah.
colon is mandatory, right? So
Mm-hmm.
property equals to value of the object dot method, right? Right?
Uh-huh.
That is the only reason. Okay. Okay then, guys. Okay, tomorrow we'll meet at same time. Okay.
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 Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Teresha,
Yeah, Ankita.
I gotta talk about something.